Wow. Wow, it's been so long, guys. I don't even know where to begin, but I'm back. I'm Nando. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. I do unboxings, tech reviews, tech unboxings, gaming unboxings, all kinds of gadgety stuff. And this is going to be my first video in a long time. Matter of fact, this is going to be my first video of 2023. And we're going to start off with some Pokemon card unboxings. Now we're going to get ready for, Crown Zenith coming up. So I went to GameStop and I picked up 2 booster packs. So we've got right here Astral Radiance and Silver Tempest. And then we also have this bad boy right here, which is the Eevee Evolutions, right? So this is obviously nothing new. However, I've been really excited about the ability to just go ahead and scoop up all of these Eevee Evolutions. Am I saying that right? Evolutions? Eevee Evolutions. And that's really what makes this pack special. So I don't know what I'm going to begin with. I think I'm going to start with the Silver Tempest pack, and then we're going to go from there. And guys, bear with me here as I unbox these things, because this is my first time unboxing Pokemon cards and all that good stuff. So I'm a rookie, right? I'm a rookie. So I know you guys usually do 4 from the back, this and the other. Obviously, I can't even open this thing up. There's your promo card for anybody that wants it. Boom. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna flip them to the front. We're going to start, right? So we've got a water card, right? Energy, Lopunny, Serena, some more energy, Wilmer, Dratini, Phoebus, Vulpix, Drowsy, Spinda, kind of holographic, and then that other one. So there's that, whatever, nothing special in that pack. Let's go ahead and do Astral Radiance. Peel that bad boy back, chuck it to the side. There you go. All right. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if there's any particular card you guys are excited to pull. If you guys are more excited about the Crown Zenith expansion or the new Scarlet and Violet packs that are coming shortly. There's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's float to the front. We got Fire Energy, Heavy Ball, another Feather Ball, Sneasel, and these 2. And excuse me while my cats continue to fight. Nothing excited, no pulls, but really it's time to unbox the Eevee Evolutions pack. That's really what we're here for. That's what I got excited about. So let me go ahead and open this. Push that off to the side. All right, so a lot of packaging here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I know I'm old to this. This is nothing new for you guys. But for me, this is super exciting. So what do we have here? So let's start here. We have Leafeon, Flareon, regular Eevee, Umbreon, Sylveon, one of my new favorites, Espeon, Jolteon, and Vaporeon. Finish it off with Glaceon. So now that we got those bad boys out of the way, and hopefully we get some pulls here. There's your card, guys. Let's go ahead and start with Lost Origin. Again, I'm new to this. I'm usually doing tech reviews, but I am a huge Pokemon fan. So if this is going to be something that just keeps me entertained. I am playing Scarlet and Violet. Again, let me know in the comment section below. What are you guys most excited about? The new Scarlet and Violet game, the new Scarlet and Violet trading card game, both, the Crown Zenith expansion. What are you guys excited about? Got V-Star, flip him to the front. There's your V. Nothing on this one. Switch to this bad boy. Astral Radiance again. So far, no hits. I've opened 3 packs of cards. Is this how you guys feel? How am I supposed to be feeling right now? Honestly, how am I supposed to be feeling? Because I've never done this before. So I don't know if I'm supposed to be upset. I don't know if I'm supposed to... I have no idea what I'm supposed to be. So, energy. Rowlet, Oshawott, Skyther, Regirock. Oh man, I'm getting sad because I'm not getting any hits. I'm getting sad because I'm not getting any hits. But at least I got the Eevees, right? That's what we're here for. Eevees. Lost Origin. I don't know. Again. For those of you who want it, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip them to the front. Energy. That's a cool Pikachu. Nothing exciting for you guys, but for me, kind of. No hits as well. Fusion Strike. Honestly, I'm excited about the fact that we are getting Crown Zenith, which I did read online is supposed to be a 6 to 8 month release. So hopefully tons of content. I plan on getting that expansion pack next week, and we'll go from there. All I want to do is get at least a semi-cool pull. That'd be exciting. But I can't get anything. Let's do Brilliant Stars. Peel that bad boy back. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip them to the front. And let's start again. Energy. Can I get one? Something? I want to know what you guys are feeling when you finally get a hit. Fusion Strike again. What is y'all's favorite method to doing this? All right, you're talking to a rookie right here in terms of unboxing Pokemon cards. Not a rookie in terms of owning Pokemon cards. I wish I had kept my Pokemon cards from when I was a kid, but what's the method here? What's the go-to pack? I mean, I guess that's cool. I don't know. I haven't pulled a single cool card. Not a V, not a V-Star, not a V-Max. Let's go with Chilling Rain. Yeah, some of these are not easy to open. Boom. Oh, that's upside down. can't even do this right. And then a Galarian Wheezing. 2 packs to go. There's that. Not even going to be excited anymore. Last pack. Energy, Crab, Thing, Professor, Trainer, Thing, 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 Thing. Oh, I guess that's kind of exciting. Because I got one of these. All right, guys. So, again, if you're new to my channel, I'm new to this. So please comment in the section below. What is the strategy? What am I supposed to be doing here? How do I get these pulls? Obviously, I'm joking because a lot of this is purely 100% luck. However, I did buy the Eevee Evolution Pack so that I could get all those Eevees. So let's go ahead and lay these bad boys out. There you have it, guys. Again, thanks for stopping by and watching this channel. I'm a nobody in the old Pokemon unboxing world. However, I plan on making a lot more videos like this going forward. So let me know in the comment section below, what are you looking for? What kinds of pulls are you hoping to get this Crown Zenith and or Scarlet and Violet? I'll catch you guys in the next video. And like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios. And I'll catch you guys. Bye.